Today I'm going to go over three data types: interval, nominal, and ordinal data. Interval data are real numbers. Some examples are a list of individuals' height in centimeters, a person's hourly rate in dollars per hour, or a distance between two locations in miles. Nominal data are categories. Examples are a person's marital status, or their sex, or their hair color. It's important to note here that the order of these categories does not matter. We cannot order people's hair color or their sex. They're categorized data, but there is no hierarchy in these categories. Let's look at this example. We surveyed 5 people and asked them if they are married or single. We often use a code to denote nominal data. Here, if a person is married, we assign them the code 0, and if a person is single, we assign them the code 1. Ordinal data, on the other hand, are also categories, but their order matters. Examples are the letter grades that we get in school or the star system to review hotels. These categories represent hierarchies. A will always be better than A minus, and a 4-star rating will always be better than a 1-star rating. We can also use a code to denote ordinal data, but we need to make sure that we do not confuse them with interval data. In this example, we had 5 people, and we assigned them a rating for their performance from 1 to 5, with 5 being the best performance and 1 being the worst. Even though the ratings are numbers, using these numbers as interval data and making calculations is not permissible. Let's look at these examples of data and assign them a type. The number of bedrooms in a house is interval, since the number represents not a code, but the number of bedrooms. The difference between a 4-bedroom house and a 3-bedroom house is 1 bedroom, and we cannot assign a different code to represent this difference. The sex of a person is nominal, since there are categories and their order does not matter. There is no hierarchy. The calories in a meal are interval. Again, we have real numbers and not a code or categories. The educational level is ordinal. There are categories and their order matters in the sense that someone with a master's degree has had more years of education than someone with a high school diploma. The satisfaction grading is again ordinal data because there is a hierarchy in the categories. The place of citizenship of a group of people are nominal because they can be categorized by country of citizenship, but there is no hierarchy. Lastly, the income level is ordinal data. Someone that makes 150,000 makes more than someone who earns 100,000, which means that there is hierarchy in the categories.